Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your GitHub Actions workflow for node builds step by step clearly. Start by navigating to your GitHub repository. Open the Actions tab located at the top of the page. Identify the workflow you wish to update from the list of available workflows. Click on the specific workflow file to open it. Locate the Edit button in the top right corner of the workflow file view. Select the Edit button to enable editing of the workflow YAML file. Review the current configuration for the node build. Determine which parts need to be updated based on your project requirements. To set a specific node.js version, locate the node version key. Update the node version key to the desired version number. If necessary, modify the steps section to include the latest npm install command. Ensure the build script executed is correct by checking for the run commands. Make any additional adjustments needed for your project's build process. Once you finish editing, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Enter a brief description of your changes in the commit message field. Choose the option to commit your changes directly to the main branch or create a new branch. Click the Commit Changes button to apply your updates. Navigate back to the Actions tab to monitor the status of your updated workflow. Verify that the workflow runs successfully with your modifications. Check the logs for any errors or warnings during the build process. Make necessary adjustments based on the feedback from the logs, if needed. Repeat the process as required for any additional updates or features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.